Hello, hello, hello. Hello and good evening. Wherever you are, wherever you belong to. Hello and good evening, I mean. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Everything good? Everything good? Everything nice? Okay. Okay. Today we're gonna hello, 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 hello. Uh anyway, we will continue what we started yesterday, which is a shitty mobile game that we have to do. Anyway, yesterday we achieved that we can move the player and everything. And behind the scenes, yeah, we can shoot and everything. Behind the scenes, I did the code that I can spawn more players. This will act as those things, you know, when these plus things come for you and you add more players to your players. So let's continue with that, shall we? Okay, for now I want a bit more speed here. 50, for example. Okay, like this. Too much. I have to fix this mess I did here, but that's something I'll worry about later. For now, let's add the add-in mechanic for something to spawn. You can add. Okay, this we auto start it. Add player. And this will go. Can I change this color here? Just want to change the color of this one. No, that's the debug color. I want the mesh instance. Material. No, we don't have a material here. Let's add a new standard material. Albedo blue. Okay. In our main scene, spawn. Pull it there a bit. Like this. Maybe we can push them a bit here. Let's make this 100. No. No, but it's okay. 30. Make it like this. Spawn. This comes here. Okay. Yeah, I need to fix this movement. Okay, what did I do to stop instantiating this stuff? I commented all of this for some reason or another. Oh, why it's lagging. And why it's not sending me players. Sending me the things. Okay, let's see here. What did we do wrong here? We spawn add player. Which is this one? And this has to spawn this. This has no sense for now. On a timer. Add player. Why it's not auto starting? Come on, boy. Uh, main scene? No. Bullets. Here, areas. Ah, look where they're going. Why are they going there? Add player. Spawn position, dot global spawn position. Let's fix this here. Let's make it here, I guess. Yeah. It is not going. Okay. Slight complications. Slight complications, but it's okay. I want to rename this to not add player. Okay, we make this add player here. This has to spawn this plus spawner. This has to be removed from here, and we add it another time. This will might work, which didn't work for some reason. They're on top, very on top. I want them here. Let's make them there. Uh-huh. Okay, why it's not taking its position? Let's put it here, and let's put it a bit here. Okay. Okay, now we have stuff. We have stuff. Let's go to our main. This is where we add another player. So we want, for example, if this triggers, we add a function. Let's call it func add player. Let's give this all this stuff. And let's comment this thing here. And when we collect, let's make our script, which is the main scene, yeah. We make it a global. How did I save it here? Main scene, the GD. Add it as a global. Let's go back to spawner. No. To add player here. Main scene dot add player. Maybe. Okay, let's wait for something to come here our way. Okay, what is our problem? The global of base is not null instance. Believe it or not, this was working. What did I do? I don't know. Here. Now it's a null instance again. This is crazy, man. Okay, let's work it from here. This is something, man. Player dot global position. Okay, wait a minute. Why does it create something like this? Is it crazy? No, it is crazy. Yeah, it does like this. I have never seen it does like this. Something I have never seen in Godot. It creates another node for some reason. Something is wrong because it changes all the code I'm doing here. because this makes it null instance. And I have never had this issue. And when I play, for example, it's on another node. Why? I am in the main node. Why it's in another node? In my main scene, there's I create nothing, I duplicate nothing about this. In the player, nothing. What if I do not the actual player, but they just do like this? Player and then ready. I take player is equal to get child get group player, and here we do yes. So we're looking for the group. Am I unmuted? Ah, yeah. How to call a group? I forgot how to call a group as well. Get recall group. Is equal to get tree. Yeah, it doesn't work in here. Player group. Let's call this player group. Get tree. Dot call group. This is tricky. It's becoming tricky. I don't know why I have that problem, I swear. It is killing me. Let me check a project I have done with groups. I have forgotten how to do it. It's okay. Where is something here? Maybe in game jams? Let me check game jams. No, I don't think it's in game jams. I have to open the project, man. I don't want to do that. It is the same thing. Let me try this. Get nodes in get nodes in group player. This is crazy. This is actually crazy. I just want the position of the player. I forgot how to do it. This is crazy. It's because happening here. This thing. It's created another node. Why? Why does this? Uh, we will go to project settings here, general, run. And crazy, man. I swear it's crazy. I have no clue. Wait, in the player we have the shoot instantiate here. Does this have to do anything with that? No, it still does the same thing. Is it time to ask credit? Is it time to give up and ask credit? I don't know. Why does it do this? What is the problem? This has never happened, has never happened to me. I have my main node here, and it creates somehow another node with another name, and it ruins everything for me. Why? Why do you do that? I just want to play in this node. This is the main node. Look, why does it do that? It duplicates it for some goddamn reason. Why? Run specific scene. Is this something new in Godot? I cannot find a way to see if this is true or not. Okay. I really don't know. Oh, this is giving me problems. Okay, I'm looking and it says it's normal behavior. What is normal behavior about this? I do this. I want to take my, where is it? My main scene, I want to take the position of the player. If it's on another scene, it doesn't count. Like it doesn't exist. Here, it doesn't exist. It says it's null instance. It's something really crazy. It is something really crazy. Wow. No, this is the null instance, not this. This is just instantiated from here. But this is this. And this is coming from here, this main scene. What if I go to the remote? Let's stop this. Yeah, let's play again. When you go to remote, you find a new node. Why? God knows why. Only God knows why. Or Godot. This has the the whatever group it is. Okay, let's take this, convert it to global. And then our main scene. We want a group. We want this player group. I can't write today. And we do get three. See here, it doesn't give us get three. We have to do it in red. Oh, okay, let's do it here. Get nodes in group player. And then here, we come in here, we get to this, this in the index of 0. I swear now if it doesn't work. Why? Get nodes in group on a null value. Red. Let's keep it just player. Yo, strange stuff. Hello, hello. Hello, I'm having a bit of problems in this godforsaken Godot. Hey, I'm trying to call my friend player. Ah, thank you. I'm trying to make a mobile game. Struggling though, but it's okay. It's a part of the experience. So I have this stuff that will be added here. We'll add our player like in the ads. You know those ads you see on Reddit when you scroll into through posts. The problem is, my problem is now that this stuff. For now, I'm doing like press enter or space to create my player. It tells me null instance. Why? Because I'm referring to my player from my main node. Yeah, it is a 3D engine. It is not good as, for example, Unreal or Unity, but it is going there. It is coming there. It has came a long way. It is mainly focused on 2D for now, but they're adding a lot of stuff for 3D. It's fun. It's fun. Anyway, I was saying this thing here is giving me headaches. I used to call groups or just from here, reference my player, get the position, but no, something has to happen. And this something that has to happen is me not getting my goddamn position from the player. Let's call this player group. And let's get it here. Why are complaining now? Indentations, of course. Get it in the position of 0. Ah, now I see 2 players, not just 1. Wow. Why is creating 2? I just want 1. Yeah, 6 viewers. It's crazy. It's going crazy for me. I have 6 viewers now. Welcome to people watching. watching my inexperienced ass trying to make mobile games and struggling with finding a position and trying to find how the hell that this was working an hour ago and now it's not working. It is killing me, I swear. Why does it spawn two players? I just want two. I just want plus one. No, this is not now. I added this, but it's not working. Sorry. Anyway, back to the drawing board. Why uh, strange stuff? If you have some experience with Godot, can you tell me why this is happening? Why do I have a copy node from my main node? Like here. I have never seen that. I have worked with Godot so many times, I have never seen that. And this mess up all of my callings. It's crazy. Okay, okay. I do some. The problem is, it was working like an hour ago. An hour ago. This thing here, I just call my thing. It was working. Now, no, no instance. No instance, my ass. Ah, yeah. Now, game development is fun, especially if you do stupid stuff. As long as you keep it stupid, as long as it's fun. You get really bored if you not bored, it's fun as well, but it's a bit hard if you do it like professionally, you know. Uh I just want one now. Can I get one? Okay, you can keep shooting. Wait. Where is my player here? All of you keep shooting. Yes. Now let me do this here. For now, let's keep it for two. Maybe, but it's more like this one is gonna be more like those ads. Let me pull one for you. Something like this. If I found a picture here, you know, some stuff like this, like these pictures. Dino? Ah, yeah, these ads. A lot of people redid them. I wanna try my piece of pie, as they say, to redo them. Something like this. You get upgraded weapon, shoot 10,000 of times. You have like equations to solve to make to play the game. And the problem is, if you go to these ads, you find a different game, totally different game. These like are just for hooking people. But I want to make the ad actually the game. A lot of people did the same too. It's fun. It's fun the process. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Anyway, so we have the shooting, we have the +2, which I don't want, but we can do just right now. We have this for add, main scene. Let's copy this to fix this. And let's uncomment this basic stuff. Let's copy it in this one. Maybe we can get what we want. Besides clicking it, of course. Okay, here it comes. Oh my god, it added a lot. No, I just want you to add. Whoa, no, 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 no. Everything is like too many people. I have to disable the collision or it's gonna break my PC. What is it? Here, plus, no, add player here. We add the collision shape. It's easy fix. And we do disabled is equal to true. So it will add just two. I don't want it to add two though, but for some godforsaken reason, it's gonna add two. Yeah, it add. Oh my god, I get it. I get it. I have a lot of other players like this. A lot of them. So they're all getting the same collision shape. So what are we doing now for this? Either this is gonna be player. I have the idea. This gonna be player. When it spawns, it's changed the name. Like for example, when you add it, it's gonna change the name. Here. See, I have another player. So we can just add. Yeah, I'm trying to do this for now. Maybe I can optimize it a bit later and do like object pooling. Yeah, that's actually nice. That's actually a nice idea to make them 5, like bigger one. But I want to stick to the ad to make it as adly as possible. There are some other games with the ads that they make like make them more powerful. Oh yeah, 8 viewers. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Okay. Let me fix this really quick. It's gonna be player. Now we will have only one player that can collide with the other stuff, and the others actually don't collide because their name is changed. See? And now they will keep shooting all of them. Why that one is down there? It's okay. Mix them all in the mix. They are still clipping from the from the wall. Man, this 3D stuff here is insane. Okay, let me fix the camera a bit here. In the inspection. Maybe middle it here. A bit on the top. This thing's gonna should go a bit down. On the y-axis, like 6. Pull them back down. Here is 100. Maybe. Later, when we do all of this stuff, we can add the. Sorry, my dog. Wait a moment, please. Sorry, my dog was going crazy, so I had to let them go out to the room. Hearing another hearing another dogs outside. You know dogs. Anyway, this is gonna be like this. All of them shooting at the same time. And one clipping on the bottom, but we can fix that later. Ah, her name is Kali. She's a good dog. But when she hears other people scream, I mean, other dogs in the neighborhood, she goes crazy. She also wanna join the fight. Anyway, those things will come as 1 1 1 1 1. So now we need to add an enemy that comes to us. All the dogs do the same thing. Every dog that does the same thing. Just one dog see someone coming from outside, every dog in the neighborhood start joining in like a party. Okay, let's make this an area 3D. Let's call him enemy. Let's give him collision shape, and let's give him mesh. The collision shape will be, for now, just capsules. Later I'm gonna add the animations, models, everything. Okay, this is gonna be like this. Let's make him red. Make the guy red. Every enemy has to be red, right? It's an albedo. What am I doing? Purple red. Let's call this enemies and save him here. All we want for this guy to do is to walk toward the player. Simple. He's gonna. I can steal the code from here. Where is it? From the add player thing here. Easy. Just copy, paste. No more code. Maybe this have like a slower speed. And we do enemy spawner. Not 3D, we call it enemy. I cannot type today. Where did I save the other spawner? Interactables, player nodes, scenes. Okay. I am trying to make this as fast as I can. Even though there are some. Let's make it 5. No, 0.8. 0.8 seems reasonable. And it will spawn our player. This one here. So we need to edit a script. And the same as that plus spawner, we're just gonna no, this is not gonna work here. This has to come here. You delete. As you can see, for now it's just codes. Nothing exciting is happening, but so on, everything exciting is gonna happen. We will add the health for the enemies, like one-shotted. They're just gonna be one-shotted, and we will add a boss among the enemies that can spawn in different times. For now, let's try to spawn this enemy. Where did I put him? Scenes, enemies. And in the timer, let's do func spawn enemy. We just take this bad boy here. Let's call var enemy is equal to enemy dot instantiate. And his enemy dot position, global position is equal to global position. We're gonna have multiple of them, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't crash the game. Hopefully, because they have to be a lot of them. It's gonna be like in my idea is gonna be like in rounds, round 1, round 2, round 3. You have to survive a bunch of enemies with a boss. Like example, round 1 survive 5 enemies, 15 enemies, 20, and so on. And then we add child. No, we get 3. Yeah, sure, take your time. Glad to have you here. You're my first shatter, so glad to have you here. Ah, thank you so much. I am not active on Twitter at the moment. I will go back there because I was following some really controversial stuff. But thank you for the follow. Thank you so much. Thank you for hanging out with me. It's been great. But I will be back on Twitter active and posting my stuff because I'm starting to work on my game, which is going to be a commercial game, which is something I love. But for now, I'm practicing 3D modeling, so that I do now. And if I get better at it, I'm gonna start with the game. I have some logic written up and everything, but 3D is my weak point. 3D and music are my weak points. Even coding though, but it's a journey of growing. Ah, thank you so much. See you later. See you later. Anyway, we add the child, but we add them to the. Let's add them to the enemy spawner since it doesn't move. Just add child here, and we add the enemy. And hopefully we add a timer in the spawner. Yeah, we did add a timer in the signals timeout. We just call it here. Too simply. Too simply if that is that a word. So now we are gonna add our spawner here. Enemy spawner. Where did you go? You are here, so you have to come down here. So our player is there, logically. I don't know, I saw them in the sky. Let's add another one. Let's try this one first. Am I creating enemies? Node. Enemy spawner? Yeah. Why they're not coming at me? Let me make them a bit closer and see where the hell they're going. Where are you going, my brother? Where was free play? Why they are spawning from there? From inside, from down the wall. Okay, okay. Well, at least they're not breaking the game or anything. Of course, because this one is here. Let me reset this goddamn thing. Okay, it's gonna be here. A little bit upstairs, up. A little bit up. Then why you're not? Excuse me, guys. Okay, question. Why my input is not reading right now? Something is strange. Something is strange with Godot lately. It's very, very strange. Stuff, it's either I'm bad or stuff breaks on their own. Oh my god, the control is gone. Why? I did nothing. Like, actually, I did nothing. Is my input is gone? My input is still here. I cannot believe it, man. I cannot believe this. Guys, uh, I'll have a moment. Be right back. Be right back. Hello, hello, hello. Sorry for going. I had to take my dog downstairs and bring her back, of course. Anyway, let's continue. Sorry, I'm so sorry. uh, anyway, I'm back. Let's continue. Uh, now we have a set of enemies coming, but I have a problem. I don't know if Godot is playing games with me or what. I think Godot is playing games with me, to be honest. Let's add the enemies, the enemy spawner, which has to be here. Sorry for the jump scare. My enemies are coming. My character is not moving. It is really strange for me that this is happening. I didn't do anything to the player. Like anything. I have to change this, of course, but for some reason my input is not red. Let me print it. Is it red or is not? It is not red. This is very strange. This stuff are I don't have them. I really don't. But now Godot is trying to play games with me. Okay, let's see why my input is not red. My enemies are an area of effect, so this cannot affect it, I guess. Let's give this a group here. Enemy. Why? Why, Godot? Please work with me. Please work with me. Ah, no, no, I'm not on Instagram. I don't use Instagram. I'm solely on TikTok. I post some reels there sometimes, and Twitter, which these past few months I removed, but I will do it again. I will start posting there again, and YouTube, mainly on YouTube. Whenever I open my PC or my phone, I go to YouTube or Reddit. Mostly YouTube. I just watch stuff or I work. You don't have much time if you're working on other stuff to browse different media, I guess. Okay, please, Godot, please. Uh, I don't have. Ah, okay, okay. It's this thing here. Okay, my input is red. Good. Let's go with our bullet for now. A bullet has an area. Let's give it a signal here. Area entered. If area is in group, enemy, we will add the method here. Uh, area, or we just call it enemy dot deal damage, for example. Let's give it a 1. We go to our enemy here. We go to the script. Class name maybe. Enemy. And we give him a method func deal take damage. Let's take damage and int. No, it has to be like this. Damage of type int. And he will have a health here. Let's give him 1. These are small enemies. Health is minus equal 1 damage. And in the bullet, we do here enemy dot take damage. For now, let's do it 1. Let's go to our project globals. Come on, enemy. No, not in scenes. It's in enemies. I can do an enemy manager. Cannot add autoload. Invalid name. Okay. Let's call enemy is equal to enemy dot new, and this one is gonna be like this. And maybe in the enemy and process, if health is smaller or equals to 0, we're just gonna query free. Why are you complaining? This is LLT. I cannot type today. I really can't. Okay, maybe this can work. Maybe it's working. Let me see the enemy first. Why are you going through it? Because it doesn't have collision setup. Let's make it a collision here. This is 3. What was the bullet? No, the bullet was nothing. Okay, let's make the bullet is 4. It collides with number 3. And the enemy is gonna be 3. It can collide with 1 and 4. Hopefully this works. Is it going down then? Or did I mess something up? Let me print. Always good to print. Print the area. Yeah, it's colliding. Maybe this one is gonna not. Is not in the correct place. Then deal damage. Deal damage. How about that? How about you deal damage? I am very bad at this. Why you're not dealing damage? This is crazy. Take damage. And then the enemy. Take damage. Take damage from me. Yeah. Sometimes this thing doesn't work. Sometimes. So let's go here and print damage. And remove the print from the other side. It is doing the damage. It is passing. Then why you're not taking the damage? Okay, let's print health here. Sometimes I noticed that sometimes with this minus equals damage or minus equals operation, it doesn't work for some reason. Let's pause you right here. Do we have zeros? No. Enemy spawner. One shot. Which will make us spawn one enemy and we see if it's cool or not. I don't know why I'm waiting so much. It's one shot. This is crazy. Okay. You know what? I will not spawn an enemy for now until I debug this stuff. Which is a pain, but it's okay. Enemy. You come here. No, not you. You come here. Maybe back down here. And our enemy spawner would stop. Let's see. It is colliding. It is not taking minus damage. Okay, let's take another approach. The noob approach, as they call it. Is health is equal health minus damage. Which is 1 minus 1. Should be 0. But no. It's frustrating, this stuff. It is frustrating. This is something crazy. Let's give it a max health. is equal to 1. Okay, this one is gonna be equal to 1. And our health is gonna, and the ready function is gonna be equal to max health. And then take damage. Okay, thank you for hanging out. Thank you so much. Hope you catch the next stream. I don't know if it's gonna be tomorrow or another day. Thank you so much for the subscription. It means a lot. I'm really trying to grow up in this channel. Thank you so much. I'm gonna do streams like almost every day if I can at the same time. If you are there, you can join. And when I finish, this is gonna be a video about this as well. Really excited. Really excited to show how stupid this stuff is. If Godot wanna cooperate. Anyway, thank you for hanging out. Really appreciate it. Okay, thanks. Thanks so much. Okay, we continue with this stupid little function. Bye bye. Thank you so much. You will have fun in the next video. It's gonna be funny. For now, it's a boring stream, but the video is gonna be fun. Let's continue with this dumb function that doesn't want to work for some reason or another. Uh, we give it a max health, and we said that health to max health. And here we have it minus minus. Minus the damage. The problem is we are not getting minus damage. So here something is not functioning as it should function. Maybe we should take this. War damage of type and is equal to 1. It's not hard coded. No. Why? Why you want to be so annoying today? Health, not health, I mean int. Okay, let's get rid of this. This is making me lose hope. Let's try this. Let's try this. We just do enemy. Health is minus equals damage directly. And no, doesn't want to cooperate, I guess. Uh, Here, let's keep this as this. We're hitting the enemy, as we can see in the logs. But my guy doesn't want to take damage. Why? Should we do this as a let or a const? This will not let us change whatever we're trying to change. Yeah, held to the value of type int on an object type enemy. Hmm. This is very interesting. And I can say it's very frustrating at the same time. Big var here. You can just go here. We can keep this here. The problem is our our team machine is doing the damage. Let's try this. Get tree dot call group enemy with function take damage. Is it right? Take damage. Yeah. And we pass damage. Here this stays. Let us see. Oh, it's working. Wow. Okay, good, good, good. Let's delete this and see how well this one is gonna go. Am I gonna kill all the enemies? Let me see here. Whoa, they all share the same thing. They all share the same health. Okay, this one is doing like this, but I don't want this because this gonna be the same thing. It will affect all the group. So we have to call the function. So let's try again. Take damage of type damage. And can we kill them all? No, because somehow it is not calling the function to take the damage. Let me do this. Health is minus equals damage. Oh, I just did it here. And somehow it doesn't wanna work still. Why you're not working? Let me try this one. Instead of this, we do area. Take damage. Damage. Or hopefully this one is gonna work. I have high hopes for you, man. Okay. This one is working. And Q free this one. The bullet, of course. Okay, guys, we have a working prototype, I guess. Let me add more pawns. Enemy spawner. Let me move it a bit here. Another one. Move it a bit here. Let's see how much the game can handle of this. Ah, it handles them very well. Oh, the performance is not tanking anyway. It's tanking a bit. It's starting to tank. It's starting to lag. But I'm not gonna put like all of these objects here. Okay. Okay, that's perfect. Perfect what we want. Okay, great. Now we just have to add the terrain, add the fix the enemy spawner, add the boss, and I only want to spawn a bunch of enemies, not a lot. It's gonna be around enemies. So that we can tackle next time, I guess. Uh, for now, the progress is so nice. Progress is good. We add this stuff. Maybe we'll do some modeling in the other lives, and then it's gonna be done. It's gonna be so fast. Anyway, guys, see you on another stream. Have a good night wherever you are, and have a good day. Have a good starting weekend, and see you tomorrow, guys. Goodbye.